dreaming of a clean and happy world with harmony of water, nature, and people. A company that develops people and environment-oriented technologies to make this precious dream come true. Daewoo E&C is advancing toward the world to build a clean global village. Daewoo E&C, which is striving to make the world cleaner by practicing environmentally friendly management, has been making outstanding achievements in Korea's environmental plant construction ever since its foundation in 1973. Today, it is the leader of wastewater treatment facility constructions based on its outstanding technology. Engineering, constructing and operating over 60 wastewater treatment facilities in Korea, including Gulpo-chan Waterway of Bucheon, Nanji of Seoul, Wiwang, Anyang, Gunsan, Suyang of Busan, Gimhae, and Milyang. Daewoo E&C is treating 4 million tons of wastewater per day, and it has become a world-class benchmarking standard in the industry. The Northern Water Resource Eco Park, built by Daewoo E&C's finest wastewater treatment technologies, boasts daily capacity of 900,000 tons and is playing an essential role in turning Bucheon and Incheon regions into clean, pleasant, and environmentally friendly cities. The Anyang Wastewater Treatment Facility, which revived Anyangcheon Waterway, which was once severely polluted, boasts daily capacity of 600,000 tons and is contributing to making Ansan an environmentally friendly new town, where migratory birds return to. Furthermore, Daewoo E&C is presenting a new paradigm of wastewater treatment facilities through the construction and operation of Yeokgok Wastewater Treatment Facility, which installed wastewater treatment facilities underground, built a park, and other facilities for residents on the surface. Daewoo E&C's endless development efforts and outstanding technologies are already recognized by the world. And it was selected as the world's #1 in wastewater treatment and water purification category in a results survey by Engineering News Records of the United States. Building a clean global village. Daewoo E&C provides the greatest joy in the environment protection field. Daewoo E&C is providing top-notch one-stop services to improve customer convenience and quality of its work. From discovering projects to carrying out inspections, planning, engineering, construction, and operation, Daewoo E&C is carrying out leading engineering and construction in the field of water system and drainage fields. Using its accumulated technologies and unparalleled know-how, it is showing outstanding achievements in safe and professional maintenance and organization administration. Furthermore, the wastewater management that monitors every process automatically from the Central Command Center has increased the efficiency of wastewater treatment processes. And Daewoo E&C is also carrying out R&D activities including water quality testing and analysis. By implementing and expanding an automatic trash collection facility that transfers garbage to resource recollection facility along the underground passage, Daewoo E&C is getting positive response from the customers. A world where industries and the environment can exist in harmony. Daewoo E&C is proving this world to be possible with its original and advanced technologies. DEMIS is an integrated wastewater treatment facility management system that collects field data from wastewater treatment facility via internet and data transmitters, predicts the quality of released water using water quality simulators and statistical analysis, and provides integrated overall management. It makes it possible to operate the wastewater treatment facility in an efficient and advanced manner, using its key functions such as remote monitoring and control, process diagnosis and analysis, integrated messaging service, and administrative management. Establishing and operating DEMIS brings 4 positive results: convenient operation, reduced operating cost, strengthening customers' trust, and creating optimal operating conditions. Consisting of remote monitoring and control system, database system, analysis and diagnosis system, automatic process control system, security system, and alarm system. DEMIS is evaluated to be more efficient and stable system. By applying a high-tech artificial intelligence technology called Neuro-Fuzzy Interface Engine, DEMIS is capable of accumulating and analyzing every data related to the wastewater treatment facility from the past to the present. It is providing a ubiquitous user environment that allows user to choose the optimal operating mode based on a ubiquitous infrastructure that allows easy access to the management system anytime, anywhere for remote monitoring and controlling of wastewater treatment facility and accumulated data. Through these core technologies, DEMIS offers automated, optimized, highly advanced wastewater treatment facility management, including remote automated monitoring and controlling features, standard digitalization using knowledge base and automatic operating mode switching functions. The data input at the data server are used to decide the optimal operating mode of each facility using an interface engine based on knowledge base of the expert systems, and it is capable of explaining the reasons for the decision made by the expert system to the administrator and verifying the decision. And various programs such as malfunction management, historical trend, facility history management, operating report, water quality testing data management. Facility maintenance programs are used to operate the water treatment facility more efficiently. Through water system digitalization and automation, achieved by a water management system, integrated management and control system, monitoring system, test runs and training. DEMIS is operating the facility efficiently, preventing accidents due to poor water quality, resolving civil complaints, and increasing the people's trust in the water system, as well as improving accounted water rate, cutting down electric power cost and labor costs. Daewoo nutrient removal is a process that biologically removes nitrogen and phosphorus at the same time. It is a tertiary process which uses the biological characteristics of bacteria to remove nutrients from low concentration wastewater. Daewoo E&C has been recognized for the excellence of the system and its technology by acquiring 7 cases of domestic patents and 1 case of U.S. patent, as well as obtaining the designation as New Evaluation Technology from the Ministry of Environment. DNR process improves efficiency of phosphorus removal in the anaerobic tank with a sludge denitrification tank. The reactor consists of sludge denitrification tank, anaerobic tank, anoxic tank, then aerobic tank. The sludge denitrification tank uses organic matter created during endogenous respiration to denitrify the nitrate nitrogen in the return sludge and improves phosphorus release in the anaerobic tank and luxury uptake in the aerobic tank. The anaerobic tank uses readily biodegradable organic matter in the influent to release phosphorus. And the anoxic tank removes nitrate nitrogen from the mixed liquor sent from the aerobic tank by denitrification and releases it into the air. In the aeration tank, phosphorus released from the anaerobic tank is removed by luxury uptake, as well as residue organic matter not removed in the anaerobic and anoxic tanks. It turns ammonia, nitrogen in the influent wastewater into nitrate nitrogen. Then the mixed liquor is sent back to the anoxic tank through a return pump. It is a verified process with top capacity and performance, already being used in 30 wastewater treatment facilities in Korea. The operational technology developed after 7 years of basic research and experiments allows easy technological transfer and independence, making independent design and operation possible. It is in operation at Cheonan, Gampo, Bugo, Sacheon, Ansong, and Bukang sewage treatment plants. DMBR was developed to fulfill the need for alternative water resources as lack of water arose due to increase of municipal and industrial wastewater, tighter regulations for water quality and area limits on WWTP construction. It's a combined technology of bioreactor and separation membrane. The application of a separation membrane inside or outside the bioreactor instead of the previous sedimentation tank based on the settling effect is a biological wastewater treatment method, which perfectly separates activated sludges from the treated water. DMBR process maintains high concentration bacteria inside the reactor for improved external shock load and is not affected by sedimentation of bacteria. Solid-liquid separation means higher processing efficiency and operational stability. In addition, automated operation makes it easy to maintain with minimum personnel. It is a very economical process with the reactor taking up 50% less space and sludges being reduced by more than half. The separation membrane used in DMBR is made of Teflon with excellent tensile strength, pressure resistance, and chemical resistance. Stable operation is possible for extended periods of time through air backpulse, making this new technology a very useful one. It is loaded with Daewoo's unique know-how of minimizing contamination of separation membrane during operation through suction or permeation, relax, and backwash. Compared to the existing BNR process, the DMBR process offers over 40% lower construction cost. It is already applied to Chungju Dam and wastewater treatment facilities in Gumi and Dongjin. Daewoo E&C is planning to build a total of 41 facilities, achieving a daily capacity of 23,060 tons a day. The physical filtration system by membrane removes organic matters, nitrogen, and phosphorus for consistent quality of treated water. Infallible solid-liquid separation guarantees the quality of treated wastewater so that it can be reused for non-potable purposes. DIMS, Daewoo Integrated Membrane System for Drinking Water, which was developed to improve the conventional water purification facilities and to provide next-generation water purification processes. It is a high-flux, high-recovery, compact water purification technology that can create world-leading quality of tap water using medium and large membrane separation technologies. DIMS was developed to create the cleanest water of the highest water quality to satisfy our customers in the marketplace by participating in the government-run EcoStar project. using membrane separation technologies and reliable engineering in Korean and global marketplace. DIMS embraces Daewoo E&C's will to make environmental technologies into Korea's growth engine. The biggest characteristic about DIMS is the membrane filtration process, which replaces sand filter in the standard water purification process. Membrane filtering is a method that has outstanding performance in removing impurities from the water, coping with changes in quality of raw water and achieve high-quality water. And it can achieve high concentration of treatment facilities because it can be installed in 1/3 the space required by a conventional sand filter. By using less amount of coagulation agents and sterilization agents, DIMS can resolve people's discomfort in tap water due to chemical odor. Furthermore, it separates chlorine-resistant pathogenic microorganisms, reduce toxic byproducts for maximum sterilization effect. The automated facilities and use of outstanding integrated monitoring and control system provides easier maintenance. The goal of water purified by DIMS is 0.05 NTU, which is 6 times cleaner than Korea's standard 0.3 NTU. This is a figure that shows Daewoo E&C's capability to cope with more strict water quality standards and prove its ability in the global market. WISE DIMS, which adds intelligent automated control device to the high flux, high recovery, compact water purification technology DIMS, is a system that maximizes the safety and reliability of the processes and operation convenience. WISE DIMS is an optimized control technology that uses fully automated chemical treatment, EFM automation and real-time integrity monitoring technologies. And it is an integrated next-generation operation system of the ubiquitous era with self-diagnosis functions including automatic coagulant control and enhanced flux maintenance. Looking at the selective pre-treatment processes before the automated control program of WISE DIMS is applied. Automated control program is decided according to the raw water quality by collecting and analyzing water quality data using online water quality measurers, water quality element correlation analysis, and changes in the membrane TMP. Through the automated control function, which mainly consists of FM and RM, WISE DIMS is capable of checking the rate of change, the period of change, and period maintained in the same quality level. The Yeongdeungpo Water Treatment Plant, which is due to construct and operate a facility with daily treatment capacity of 25,000 tons, is planning to operate additional PR facilities and experience centers in addition to the high-tech water purification facility that uses DIMS system. An experience center that offers science experience related to water and nature. An exhibition room about water. Nature and science will be on the first floor. And park, outdoor photo zone. And PR video hall will be on the second floor. In meeting with the emergence of alternative energy and resource recycling from the waste resource following the high oil price and depletion of fossil fuels, as well as the drastic emergence of high-density and organic wastewater generation, DINCT has specially developed the DBS and DSM technologies. In case of anaerobic microorganisms, DBS utilizes the positive points in generating methane gas and hydrogen gas, while having a small number of medium microbes with less requirement of energy for processing waste materials. And it is a new technology to produce liquid fertilizers of biogas of fine quality by disintegrating the livestock wastewater by facilitating the anaerobes. The existing conventional anaerobic digestion method required 30 to 60 ton tank for 30 to 60 days to dispose a ton of livestock excrement. And the the biogas generated contained less than 60% of methane, and the contaminant degradation rate was also only 50%. On the other hand, DBS successfully reduced the contaminant processing period down to 5 to 7 days and increased the methane content of the biogas up to 75% or higher, and the contaminant degradation rate up to 80% or higher by increasing the number of anaerobic microorganisms and accumulating particulate microorganic mass. The uniqueness of DBS is that it separated the tank for producing acidic matters and the tank for producing methane in order to enhance safety in the operation. In this structure, the acid fermentation tank acts as the buffer tank and supplies quality organic acid to methane-producing microorganisms. And the methane fermentation tank cultures highly efficient granular sludge with a quality organic acid and produces the methane gas with much higher purity. The methane gas is directed to the desulfurizer to remove sulfur dioxide and sent to the gas storage tank. From there, the gas is used as the source of energy and power through gas generator. The byproduct of the sludge storage tank produced from the disposal process is also not cast away as it is, but reproduced into fertilizer through the post-process comprised of high-speed fermentation system and check weigher. And the foul odor generated in the process is treated in the foul odor prevention system comprised of the biofilter and scrubber before released into the air. DSM, that is developed for the reduction and recycling of sewage sludge dehydration cake, is the technology that disposes the dehydration cake with 80% of the water content rate through microwaves and specific chemical processing, making the sludge remarkably smaller by installing this processing on the rear part of the dehydrator to produce a pellet type for possible recycling, resulting in various applications in incineration, assisting fuel, soil improvement agent, soil covering materials, and others. The treatment cost is economic compared to other technologies, and the footprints is reduced up to 50% as the special technology of Daewoo E&C. DBS can be applied to all types of organic wastewater, including livestock excrement, a variety of industrial wastewater, and food waste. And the excellence of the value and technology of DBS is recognized widely, as it was used as a policy reference for the National Administration Briefing of 2006 and the Ministry of Commerce, Industry and Energy, and had full treatment in the public opinion, including broadcasting stations and newspapers, that it is considered as a promising growth engine for the future. DSM method was recognized for its technological strength through the patent applications and registration at home and abroad, and the Ministry of Education, Science and Technology acknowledged acquisition of new technology. Daewoo E&C is now constructing the nation's largest food biogasification plant facility in Daegu Metropolitan City, and also constructing the cogeneration facilities at Asan, Cheongnam, Muju, Jeongeuk, and Jiangsu in Jeonbu by applying the DBS method. In addition, presently Daewoo is operating the Daewoo construction plant using DSM method in Wiwang. According to the report released by IPCC in February 2007, the temperature of Earth's surface is expected to increase by 4 degrees Celsius, and the sea level is expected to increase 28 to 43 meters, which raises the need to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Furthermore, at the time when the peak of high oil prices has been sustained in recent times, there is a paradigm shift of the energy paradigm with a hydrogen economic hegemony competition and others. Facing such energy and oil problems, competition is increasing to develop new and renewable energy technologies and new growth engine industries in the global energy market. By 2010, the hydro fuel cell market is expected to reach $100 billion, Wind power generation market is expected to reach $34 billion, and solar power generation market is expected to reach $36 billion. Changes in new and renewable energy distribution also support this forecast. In terms of primary energy, distribution has increased by 1.5 times from 165,209 TOE in 1996 to 133,700 TOE in 2006. However, new and renewable energy distribution has increased by 5 times from 1,160 TOE in 1996 to 5,300 TOE in 2006. The overall share of new and renewable energy in the global energy market has also increased from 0.7% in 1996 to 2.27% in 2006. In meeting with such timely and environmental demands, Daewoo E&C has been encountering ceaseless challenges for new recyclable energy development with its world-best technologies in hydroelectric power plants and tidal power plants. Hueho Dam of Laos in basin modification method by using the vertical tunnel drop of 715 meters, the largest in Asia, generates 614 gigawatts per hour of electricity as the power generation facilities that supply the electricity to Thailand. For the first time in the overseas construction projects of Korea, Daewoo E&C adopted the BOT method to have the legendary work of the construction history with its own technology for the entire process, from the planning to design, construction, and operation. On the basis of such technological strength like this, Daewoo surprised the world again by constructing Daewoo River Dam in India, which is producing electricity amounting to 1,300 gigawatt hours annually by discharging 3,200 tons of water per second. And recently, Daewoo is constructing the Basin Alteration Method water power plant with a grade of 1,300 gigawatt hours at the Patrind region in Pakistan. Besides, Daewoo, which is committed to construction of environment-friendly energy production facilities, including the world's largest Shihua Lake tidal power plant, with its facility capacity of 254 megawatts and annual generation amount of 552 gigawatts per hour, that was completed in 2009. And Kimchun Wind Power Plant is pouring its soul and body into the development of new renewable energy in an effort to create more plentiful and pleasant environment for human beings with its endless challenging and pioneering spirit. The pneumatic waste collection system, which is developed to remove insanitary issues in terms of the environment, resolve the problems of conventional, inefficient waste collection, to keep the environment clean and make cities cleaner, is 100% optimized to meet Korea's conditions and residential environment. The pneumatic waste collection system, which is a high-tech, fully automated system that uses vacuum to collect daily waste to waste collection center via underground passages and processes them in an integrated manner, resolves the stench and noise from trash collection, as well as trash piled up in the streets, and the system is already constructed and operating in Suji, Yongin, and Songdo District, Incheon. Daewoo E&C's technologies are gaining greater recognition overseas by participating in the construction of Dubai Wastewater Treatment Facility in Arab Emirates and the Ajdabaya Wastewater Treatment Facility in Libya. And Daewoo E&C is advancing toward the future through various environment-related R&D activities. The dream of building a clean global village. Daewoo E&C is advancing toward that dream.